Hello everyone. I just wanted to make a very small video regarding RStudio plot generation. So by default, if you go to global options and then graphics, you will see that the backend and anti-aliasing are on default value. Okay, and in this scenario, if suppose you are generating a graph, okay, so this graph, so you see this graph is not this looks like very pixelated, like you see the what is it, the bubbles are, like jagged and jittery, I don't find it pleasing to look at. Okay, so so the thing is, when you're using default what is it called, backend, yeah, default backend, so the DPI for each graph is very low. Okay, the DPI for each graph is very low. So to fix this and to get a more like modern outlook or more modern type of graph, be sure to make the backend to Cairo, apply, okay, and make sure you install the Cairo package. So install dot packages Cairo. Okay, so if you just write this and hit enter, then the Cairo package will start installing. So now if I regenerate the graph, now take a look, everything looks very smooth. Okay, it's not jittery or jaggery, like jagged anymore, the graphs. Okay, let me show you in the zoomed view. See, everything looks very smooth, the lines are very smooth and nice, the writings, the numbers are also very clear and crisp. So this is because the Cairo backend uses more DPI, and it increases the visibility and the nice outlook of the ggplot graphs, or I think for any graphs. So yeah, I just find out about it like a while ago, and I thought it would be very beneficial to share it with all of you. All the best.